You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word? This is a verb. It's also an acronym, okay? As an acronym, it's said as rest in peace is what it means. If you want to learn the Latin equivalent, the Latin origin of the phrase rest in peace, because it originally comes from Latin, stay tuned because I've got a video for you here. If you're looking for just the verb, this is the verb to rep. Okay, so you have a short E sound, not a long one, not reap, simply rep, as in sep as well. It's the same sound, rep. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.